What's going on? So today we got a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is entitled "Man Tries Showing Off for Tinder Date, Fails Miserably." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
On September 28, 2024, officers initiated a traffic stop on a vehicle observed driving erratically.
There's like 3 occupants.
How you doing?
Hi, how you doing?
We drinking tonight?
No.
No? Yeah, why are you driving like that?
Like what?
You took the turn wide coming off of onto Galena. You're going really slow. You stop beyond the crosswalk, and you seem like you're nervous. You haven't been drinking at all. All right, where are you coming from?
Is my friend's home?
Taking your friends home? Okay, let's start with your driver's license. Has everybody else been drinking tonight? All right. You got insurance for your car? Is this your car?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me see your insurance.
Registration, insurance.
Yeah, that's all right. All right, sit tight. I'll be right back. All right, Nate, once you step out, I'm going to check you out.
No, thanks.
We have an option. You got to step out.
For what?
For what? Because I asked you to. You going to step out or no? Well, then I'm going to have to take you to jail for resisting.
For what?
For resisting, I just told you.
Call Justin.
It is not a big deal.
Why ask me to step out for?
Because I want to make sure you're okay to drive. I think you had too much to drink tonight.
I didn't drink nights.
Look, I don't want to have to take you to jail, but I'm going to if you don't step out. I don't need to get a bunch of Freeport cops out here to help me, right? Control 205, I'll take another and get her to refuse to step out.
Do you have cameras on? Do you have cameras ready?
I'm rolling too.
Why am I being asked to leave the vehicle?
Because I told you.
They gonna get you together. Don't try to show off, boy. Hey. Don't play those games, man. Don't play them games, man. When the officers ask you to step out of the car, you gotta step out, man. You know what I'm saying? They gonna say, that's what it is. What is it? Road versus Wade or some whatever the fuck it is. You know what I'm saying? Pennsylvania, whatever. I can't remember, but on the traffic stops, man, if they ask you to step, you gotta step out, man. He said, no, thank you. Excuse you? Now we going from me asking you to me telling you, okay? Okay? He looked like a robot. He just straight ahead, just Okay, they gonna get you together. You might want to fix your attitude, man.
I didn't hear it. Can I hear it again?
Yeah, because I want to make sure you're okay to drive.
Well, why am I being asked to leave the vehicle?
Because I think you had too much to drink tonight.
Well, why is that? But I told you I wasn't.
The way you're acting, the way you were driving, and the strong over and alcoholic beverage coming out of the vehicle.
Which is?
Alcohol?
So nothing.
Nate, are you going to stop? Because once these guys get here, you're under arrest.
I don't understand the point of getting out.
How else do I have to... How else can I check to make sure you're okay to drive?
It's something you're trying to trap me regardless.
Nope. I've done this many, many times. I got over 500 stops involving alcohol. So you got to understand, I do this for a living, all right? You can prove to me that you're okay to drive. There's only one way of doing that, is that's if you're stepping out.
I think my legal team would do a better job of that.
Would they now? Okay. I guarantee Pennsylvania v. Mims is going to pop up. When a police officer asks you to step out, you have to step out. That means everybody.
There we go. That's the one I was looking for. Remember, I said Pennsylvania something. I couldn't remember. Listen, my brain is scrambled, okay? I couldn't remember, but I said it was Pennsylvania something. I said, what is it? Roe versus Wade, Pennsylvania something. It's something. My brain is, listen, that's why I got my coffee, man. Listen, I'm trying to wake up. Get it together. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get it together for you. But that's what it was. That's the one it was. That's it right there. But when them boys show up, when backup arrive, It's on and popping. This is when the video really gonna start.
When a police officer asks you to step out, you have to step out. That means everybody.
That's not how it works.
I'm afraid you're mistaken. So the last thing I want to do is take you to jail, Nate.
My lawyers told me just to keep my mouth shut.
Your lawyer said that? Did he tell you to stay in the car? He's a very bad lawyer.
It's pretty good.
All right, sit tight. I'm telling you, I got stop sticks set up on the car. Don't move your car or else your tires are going to deflate. All right?
Boot on it?
Huh?
Did you put a boot on it?
No, I got stop sticks in front of it.
Okay. You see how they put something in my car?
Nate, I don't really want to have to take you to jail, man. We're not like cops on TV. I want to work with you, but your actions tonight are leaving me with no choice. I'm sure your friends don't want to have to see you go through this. Sit the passenger out. Get the passenger out. Front seat passenger, why don't you step out?
Hey, sir. Why don't you step out? All right. Appreciate it.
Don't answer any questions.
All right. You just go back here.
Ladies in the back, can you step out too?
Yeah, step out.
I've got no valid.
Step on
I
out.
appreciate it.
She knows she drunk.
You're not going to win this over. I'm stopping you for a valid reason, a lawful reason, and I smell a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage. I believe you've been drinking tonight. All I'm asking is for you to step out and do some field sobriety tests, and then we'll be on our way. Who are you calling?
Hey, we're doing. Yeah, call your guys quick. Call your guys quick. I'm being harassed. Call your guys. I'm just telling you, tell them I'm gonna hang up, alright? I'm just gonna hang up, alright? That's all I had to say.
All right, you gonna step out or no?
What's going on with my camera?
You turn the camera on.
Camera? Nope.
I'm rolling too. You need to undo your seatbelt, man. You're under arrest now.
Nope.
Yes.
Do not touch me, please. Do not touch me. I'm in my vehicle.
Just make sure you guys stay back, okay? Because we're probably
Take
going
your
to pull
seatbelt
hands
off,
on
all
with
right?
them, and we don't want you guys getting involved.
Take your seatbelt off, Nate.
Touching me. He's grabbing me. He's grabbing me.
You want me to get the...
He's
Yeah,
grabbing
get
me.
the
grabbing me.
seatbelt off.
He's
Are you
grabbing
under
me.
arrest,
He's
Nate,
taking
all
me
right?
out of my own vehicle.
All right, sir.
I'm fucking my own vehicle.
That's
All right,
right,
step
sir.
out.
You got to get
Time to
out.
drag him out. Let's
I'm
go.
fucking my own vehicle.
out.
He's dragging me in my own vehicle. He's
On
dragging
three.
Me. I'm being dragged in my own vehicle. I'm being dragged. I'm being dragged. We have video. We have video.
Just handcuff him on the ground. Okay?
We have video. We have video of this. We have video. My phone being taken away from me. Throw it
Let
on
go of
the
my
ground.
cup,
We have
man.
video.
Let go of my cup.
Can we have video, please?
Nate, relax, man.
You watching too many TikTok
We have
videos.
video. We have video.
Yes, I'm recording. I've been
Everything's
recording
on
since you
fire.
stopped.
Drag my own vehicle. Dragged.
Stand up, Nate.
How do you stand up? Dragged on my own
Pat him
vehicle.
down. So you're under arrest for DUI and resisting, okay? Where are you guys coming from?
Down the street.
All right, you're drunk. Are you drunk?
No, we're not that far from it.
You're wasted. I could tell right now.
I'm not.
Okay, all right. So
I've had a few. You're coming from downtown.
Okay, all right. So what's his deal?
I don't know.
All right. Did you feel safe with him being in the car driving? Based off what I saw?
We weren't going far, so I thought we were.
I know, but everybody crashes within miles from their house, anyways, right?
Game and form a sentence. I mean,
Yeah.
it's just like,
Yeah. He's probably a
he's got to be over.
2'4".
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oops. Did the old stop stick trick.
Yeah.
Where you guys coming from tonight?
I mean, we're going back to his house. We are from Elgin.
You're driving from Elgin?
Yes.
You made it this far?
Yeah. No, we're from Elgin. We came to visit him.
I'm just asking where you guys as a group
Oh,
came from.
we were up 209 coming.
Okay.
All right, my man.
All right, Nate, go ahead, step out.
Come on out, my man. We'll get you in his vehicle.
Nate, step out, man.
Go ahead and step out, man. We're going to get you in his vehicle.
For what reason?
Because I'm not going to transfer. I'm going to wait for the other vehicle, for the tow. So you're just...
This guy's a fucking idiot. I ain't gonna lie to you. This guy is fucking brain dead. Dude. I give officers credit, man. I give police officers credit, man, because man, this brain dead activity, man. COs don't you know, I got a CO background. You know what I'm saying? Police officers got to deal with so much bullshit, right? Because they're out in the public like that. Correction officers is completely flipped. Like I'm gonna tell you 2 times. If I gotta tell you a third, you're not gonna like it, boy. You're not gonna like it. I'm trying to tell you. So this man, police officers, man, we need y'all, man. We need y'all. Y'all got some good patience with y'all, man. I salute you guys, man. Y'all got the body cam, everything. Correctional is completely flipped, like completely different. You know what I'm saying? Like, listen, I'm gonna tell you 2 times. If I gotta tell you a third time, you not gonna fucking like it. You not gonna like it. I'm trying to tell you, man. God damn. Look at this shit here.
Gonna go in the other.
Nate, step out, man.
Go ahead and step out, man. We're gonna get you into his vehicle.
For what reason?
Because I'm not gonna transfer. I'm gonna wait for the other vehicle for the tow.
It don't matter why.
So you're just gonna go in the.
It don't even matter why. I don't gotta explain to you why. Who the fuck are you? I ain't gotta explain to you why. You're in custody right now. If I tell you get out the goddamn car, we're gonna transfer you in another car. Get out the goddamn car, we're gonna transfer you to another car. That's the end of the goddamn story. I don't gotta explain why. I don't gotta explain to you shit.
Yeah. I got your phone and your wallet in my squad.
Yep, he's got your phone and your wallet, so we're just gonna get you in the truck. There's more room anyway.
Going out?
Yeah.
And
I got your shoes and I'll put them in there as well. Let's step up. Well, I can't pick you up and put you in.
You gotta make for full help, please.
No, you got to just step up, man. We're not.
Help, please.
See the bullshit games they play?
He's tall enough to get his butt up.
Yeah.
0610.
Okay, thank you. Yep. Hope the camera's around. Thank you.
Yep. Well, I don't know what your problem is,
Okay,
but
thanks. Yep. Of course. Good.
Yep.
Thank you. Hope cameras saw that.
yep.
Man, you gotta stop acting like a baby.
It's got you acting like a
Push
child.
back. Push back.
Yep.
Push. Thank you.
I don't have time for this, Nate.
I'm glad that cameras are seeing this, hopefully.
Absolutely.
am
We
too.
play it
Thank
in
you for
court.
pushing me.
Yep.
Yep.
Your attorney would appreciate it. You got the
He will.
All right.
The man was charged with DUI, obstruction, and resisting arrest.
He must got one of them TikTok lawyers. Listen, you watching too much goddamn TikTok, man. Too much. Welcome to reality, okay? Gonna get you together. Fix your attitude before you get down there at that jail, man. You know what I'm saying? Fix your attitude. But anyways, I think the officers did a pretty good job, man. Like I said, man, police officers got it rough. Like, because it's like what they really trying to do, you can't do. You in the public eye, you know, like even with this situation right here, you got Dum who's driving, right? He think he the ringleader and shit, ordering, oh, you got your cameras out, you got this, that. Motherfucker, they got body cams. The fuck? Like, you could put in a request to get the body cam footage, like it ain't a big deal, you know what I'm saying? And then you got the girls in the back, yo, get the camera, do. They think they filmmakers and shit now. Wasted, bombed, you know, man. And then you got to deal with Dum for simple stuff like, hey, we got another vehicle. We're going to move you to the next vehicle. Why? What? Because move to the next goddamn vehicle. Who the fuck are you? I don't got to explain to you nothing. Gotta have patience. Like, these police officers, man, I give them a lot of credit, boy. Gotta have patience. Oh, I'm gonna tell you 2 times. If I gotta tell you a third, not gonna like it. Anyways. Anyway, yeah, I give them 4 out of 5, man. 4 out of 5. Did a pretty good job. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.